Hello everyone, in this video we are going to see about the lambda function in Python. We know that function is a set of statements to do a specific task, and there is a special function called lambda function. This is like an inline function in other languages. We know that inline function is a one line or is a two line function. It's a very simple code will be there. Minimum number of lines will be there in a inline function. Let us see the definition. A lambda function is a small anonymous function, means that the function is without a name. Normally, we define a function using the def keyword with the function name. But this lambda function do not have a name. It is anonymous. That means that it has no name. Then how it will be done? The def keyword is used to define the normal function in Python. Similarly, the lambda keyword is used to define an anonymous function in Python. So we use the keyword lambda as the keyword. As we use the keyword def, here also we use the keyword lambda also. So when the keyword lambda is used, it denotes a anonymous function. So let us see the uses of a function. Use lambda functions when an anonymous function is required for a short period of time. So if you want a short function for a short duration of time, we can use the lambda function. Lambda functions do not allow multiple statements here. We can have only a single definition or an expression. That is the lambda function can have only one statement, which is an expression statement. Let us see the example. A lambda function can take any number of arguments but can only have one expression. So that is the syntax of this lambda function. Lambda is a keyword. Lambda arguments colon expression. Okay. Let us see the example. Lambda, the keyword is given. So x is equal to lambda a colon a is equal a plus 10. Okay. Now here the function is lambda and the argument is a. Okay, and the expression is a plus 10. So what does it do is the value is added with the 10. Actually we are passing the value of the variable a, and that will be added to 10, and the value is returned to the variable x. This is the function of this lambda function. Okay, that means the parameter or the argument is passed to the function, and this function does only expression a plus 10. So suppose if we pass lambda 5, means 5 plus 10 is 15, which is assigned to the variable x. So this is the function. Print x of 25. Now we are giving 25. That means the x is equal to lambda of a takes a as the input. So it will add 25 as a plus 10, which is 35. So here another function which is given, x is equal to lambda of a comma b colon a into b. This is the next example of a lambda which have two variables or arguments a comma b. So what does the function expression do is a into b. It is multiplies the two arguments, and the answer is stored in x. Okay. So the output statement is print 5 comma 6. That means here a is given the value 5 and b is given the value 6, and the answer will be printed as a into b is 5 into 6 is 30. This is the example for two arguments. Next example, we have the three arguments. X is equal to lambda of a comma b comma c colon. What does it do? It adds a plus b plus c. So the arguments passed a plus b, a comma b comma c are added together, and the answer is stored in the variable x. Print 5 comma 6 comma 2. So a is given the value 5, b as 6 and c as 2. Let us see how the output of this lambda function looks like. So here we can see that here the answer for this print statement will be lambda print of x comma 25, means the answer will be 35, because x is the function name and lambda a is parameter is 25. 25 plus 10 is 35. That is the answer. And in this case, the answer will be 5 into 6 is 30. and in the third case the answer will be 5 plus 6 plus 2, which is 13, 1, 3. Okay, so what does this example shows that the lambda function can have any number of arguments. The first example has one argument a, second example have two arguments a comma b, and the third example has three arguments a comma b comma c. But the body of the function, or the lambda function, can have only one expression. In the first case the expression is a plus 10, in second case the expression is a into b, and the third case the expression is a plus b plus c. So this is the simple example of how the lambda function is used. Hope it is simple and easy to follow, and this type of question will be asked for a one word question or a 2-mark question, or it may be a part of the 7-mark question. Hope it is easy and simple to follow, and thanks for watching.